380. So I'm gonna give her 120 plus change. How are you?
120.
Tilot, how are you?
Okay lang.
Oh, very good. Guys, see that? 380. So wait for the 120 change. Hi there guys and gals. Good morning to each every one of you. Thank you for these wonderful blessings. Day 57 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Hi! Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, business proposals. Don't engage with that. Otherwise, your dreams will not come true, okay? You will be paid and you will get hurt, you'll get pissed. So thank you so much for this wonderful blessings. Thank you, Lord. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Bye for now.